This is La Grande Dame, and today we are going to react to some beauty hacks. You know the deal. I know what he's gonna do. He's gonna stick his lip, but it works well for him. He's feeling it. He's looking gorgeous. He seems to enjoy it. We are back with the gluing of the lip. You are going to look like Kylie Jenner. So, boom, boom, on top of the lip. And boom, like that. Let it get dry. There you go. Bam! You're my sister now. Oh, it works. It's working great on you. It works well. It's staying. Oh my god, you look so cute!
Yeah.
We're twinning now. Look at us, sisters. Sisters. I like the idea that you can test it out before going to the surgeon, you know? Looking for our next hack, you know? Surfing the internet. Looking gorgeous. Oh, that's a gradient lip. All right. That's a stylistic idea. I guess that's something you could wear at home, alone, in the dark. We are here with too many hairs in the studio. Let's do this one. That's the easier for me right now. Should I use a pencil? So let's put the line. Bam, bam, bam. 3, 2, 1. Mama. All the way. Look at that. This is a hack. This is absolutely useless, but it works. All right, we have a lady with a Q-tip in her mouth. That's an idea. There is some red lipstick going on, and the Q-tip is here to guard it, I guess. So, I'm gonna ask you to put this in your mouth. It's a bright red. Wait. And now you have a red pair of lips with a Q-tip in the middle. Let's take it off. Let's discover the amazing result. Woo! So it clearly didn't work. You have patches that are lacking. Maybe that allows us to don't stain your teeth with the lipstick. Yeah. Maybe that's it, but hey. We are here with a lady that is doing a facelift apparently. Basically, she's trying to pull everything up and out so that the face look like mine, actually. Yeah. We are going to snatch your face. Boom, concealer. Down here, cheekbone by using a little light under it. Contour now. Bam, you beam. I'm starting with the blush to make sure it stays up. To keeping the motion up. You can close your beautiful eyes. You are now lifted. You are 15 this side, 80 to this one. This is the magic of drag. You'll thank me later. Yeah, so he's cutting the aloe vera, which is a good start when you're doing aloe vera hacks, you know? And, oh, he's not sure about it. Oh, babe. I am excited that I'm not the one trying this today. We are going to test it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Bam! It gets cut really easily, though. We are now taking the comb. We collected the whole juice. You see, it's slimy. It's there. Let's give you this facial. Literally. Hey, cheers. That's a whole mess. There you go. I'm so sorry. Tell us how you feel.
Under the water.
I don't want you to drown. I'm gonna take a towel. I don't want you to die. I don't want you to die.
Please save me.
We really need your views. Where do you want me to swipe it? Maybe you should take some, actually. Sounds like a good Thursday night. That's all I had to say. For me, it's a no. Yes, that's you, Bad Villa. Bad boy. You are doing some weird stuff with your lashes in English. That's how you say it. And you're lying to us. You just put, baby, some fake eyelashes. Okay, I can recognize them when I see them, and I don't like to be tricked. Boom, foundation. Now, with the foundation in the spoolie. Ooh, it's satisfying. And we are putting it on. There you go, a little bit over there. Coat the spoolie. This powder is very fine, so you probably can't see it, but I swear it's spotted. I'm not a liar. And I'm surprised that it's actually working. I mean, this is a look. Your lashes are really thick and spidery. It kind of worked. I went a little dirty on your eyes, but hey, this is nothing you can get with a voluminous mascara. You could get probably anywhere. So I wouldn't mind losing the time to cut your lash into foundation. Nice, cute hack, but
buy a voluminous mascara.
thank you for watching. This was La Grande Dame. I had a great time. I hope you did too. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for catching up every time.